Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 27th. 1937, Golden Gate Bridge opens to pedestrians. On May 27, 1937, the world-famous Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco opened to pedestrians. Thousands of people walked across the bridge during a special Pedestrian Day celebration. The bridge, known for its beautiful orange color, stretches over the Golden Gate Strait. At the time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. Its construction took over for years and faced tough challenges due to strong tides and fog. Today, it stands as an iconic symbol of engineering and American determination. 1703, Tsar Peter the Great founds St. Petersburg. On May 27, 1703, Russian Tsar Peter the Great founded the city of St. Petersburg. He wanted a modern city with sea access to connect Russia to Europe. Built on swampland, its construction was tough and cost many lives. Soon, it became the capital and featured European-style architecture. St. Petersburg played a major role in Russian history and remains one of the country's most beautiful cities today. 1967, Australia's Indigenous referendum passes overwhelmingly. On May 27, 1967, Australians voted in a historic referendum to recognize Indigenous people in the national census. Over 90% of voters supported the change, one of the highest approvals ever in a national vote. Before this, Indigenous Australians weren't counted or included in many laws. The result marked a major step toward equality and civil rights. It didn't solve all issues, but it started important changes in government policy. It's now remembered as a turning point in Australian history. 1941, German battleship Bismarck sunk by British forces. On May 27, 1941, during World War II, the German battleship Bismarck was sunk by British naval forces. It had earlier sunk the HMS Hood, causing a major loss for Britain. The British chased the Bismarck across the Atlantic for days. After intense fighting, they finally disabled and sank the ship. Over 2,000 German sailors lost their lives. The event was a major victory for the Allies and is remembered as a dramatic sea battle. 1995, actor Christopher Reeve paralyzed in horse riding accident. On this day in 1995, actor Christopher Reeve, known for playing Superman, was thrown from a horse during an equestrian competition. The fall broke his neck and left him paralyzed from the neck down. The accident shocked fans around the world. Despite his injury, Reeve became a powerful voice for spinal cord research and disability rights. He showed incredible courage and inspired millions. His story is one of strength and hope. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.